Peppers are one of the most versatile things in your garden. They can be sweet or so hot that they make your eyes water. The heat in peppers is measured in Scoville heat units, and it has a wide range of spiciness when you're cooking in your kitchen. So the lowest level is the bell pepper. Bell peppers have a Scoville heat unit value of 0. Whereas if we go to a jalapeno pepper, that has a Scoville heat value of 2,500 to 5,000. And then we can get really spicy. And we have ghost peppers and also Carolina Reaper peppers. And those are way over 1 million. So anytime that you are cooking with peppers, especially the hot ones, be sure to wear plastic gloves. Otherwise, you could damage your skin. And if you happen to rub your eyes, you could hurt your eyes. So be very cautious when you're working with peppers in your kitchen. Try some different types of peppers in your cooking. If you're canning, remember that you have to keep the total amount of peppers the same because you're a scientist when you're canning. You can adjust the heat by choosing a different type of pepper. I'm Dr. Julie, bringing the feel to your fork. Until next time.